Hi everyone, greetings for the day. Today we are here to talk about what make project book in business studies special. Why do we need it? Why there is a book like this existing in the market? Why did we develop this book? From the very ancient time, just kidding. If you see from the very beginning, all the students and all the teachers go through this kind of trouble that how do we prepare a project? What are the bases to prepare a project? What should be done to make a project? What should be order of a project? How a project is made? What are the requirements of the project? And similar n number of questions are there in the mind of students once they are told to make a project in class 12th, because this project holds 20 marks in your exam, and this is really important for you to cover this 20 on 20 so as to get a good score. So if we talk about this book starts from all the pages, right from acknowledgement, certificate to preface. It has everything that you need to prepare for your project. Then the question comes, guidelines. What about guidelines? So it has the recent guidelines for the academic year 2022-2023 to cover up all your whatever is needed in your project. In class 12, the students are supposed to make only one project. You know that, right? So this book contains 8 solved projects along with images. That is obvious. Then one more very important thing that we have in this book is we have the questionnaire, which is also a very big problem to the students, that how a questionnaire to be prepared, what sort of question should be there in a questionnaire. Once a questionnaire is there, what is to be done of that questionnaire, how the analysis are to be drawn, what are the inferences from the questionnaire. So A to Z, everything is there in this book. Then after that, it also have viva questions along with the answers for these remaining 8 projects, and then for the remaining 6 projects, we also have the guidelines. So this book is the answer to all your problems, to all the queries you have regarding project. Thank you.